Expanding production for a household brand meant thinking outside the box. We're helping increase global corn production by over 20%, while keeping the whole process on one site. We worked with the client to develop a smart solution to optimise the space. Instead of laying out this complex plant on one level, we designed the process to work with gravity over multiple floors. Why has the partnership with Quorn been so successful? I think it's the teamwork. It's seamless, in the site offices, with contractors, suppliers and WSP. We're one team working together.